GemCorp is a fund manager headquartered in London, investing in emerging markets. We're also present in many countries in Africa, across West, East and Southern Africa, as well as big financial centers like New York, Singapore, Abu Dhabi and Dubai. We invest predominantly in infrastructure and trade finance in Africa. We're really proud to be sponsoring this event because we recently announced a new fund called Pan-African Infrastructure Fund, which is anchored with the seed investment coming from GemCorp itself, as well as the Sovereign Wealth Fund of Angola. And this capital will be deployed into infrastructure opportunities, building on the track record that we've accomplished over the last 11 years, investing in that space and generating good returns in the tune of 11% net to our investors in US dollar terms. So it's a great opportunity for a deployment of capital in a profitable way whilst making a very good impact on basic needs within the African continent. Previously, this space was dominated by DFIs, typically African DFIs, also non-Africans. What's needed is to complement this type of activity with other sources of capital, because the regional banks and other financial institutions are active, but their balance sheets and capital is just not sufficient to cover the needs. People like ourselves, commercial players who can deploy capital, is growing, and hopefully we can actually use the African own institutional capital, be it pension funds, sovereign wealth, insurance, to come into these opportunities as investors, deployed through fund managers like ourselves and others. And that would also pave the way and catalyze more capital to come from other parts of the world. Last year I was here, and this year we decided to make a bigger impact and actually support the conference as a sponsor. The key point is that you have, I think this year, something around 20-25 different countries represented as far as their own institutional capital from their pension funds and sovereign money. People from representative delegations from these countries come here to learn more about it and to see if they can actually allocate more and generate diversified portfolio with uncorrelated returns to boost their overall returns in their funds. Very pleased to be here in Mauritius. It's just a wonderful place to be at to begin with. But it's actually become a major financial hub for the region. So I think Mauritius has really managed to position itself as a very, very interesting hub. Also a place to be, it's a pleasure, actually, to be in such a wonderful island.